USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe, like and press the bell notification. And below the video you will have one fantastic link. It says swing trading on automation. Click on that link. You will come to this page here, right here. Okay, you need to watch this video if you want to automate swing trading. Yes, it's not a scalping. It's not 1 hour to 50 minutes. It's swing trading. I'm the first human on the planet to automate swing trading. Automate, which means you install and you do nothing and you just see these profits. Okay, so go and watch this video if you want to understand what I'm talking about. So this Telegram, join it if you want to for free signals. Otherwise, join this swing trading automation. You're gonna love it. Just go and watch the video first. Subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we are at the EMA right now, so we are getting a hammer. Okay, right. So if this hammer stays like hammer by tomorrow Friday, then from next week we'll go up. But coming back to daily chart. Okay, it's going up. Clear. Look for longs. Okay, hammer is right here in daily chart. Right, this hammer, whatever you call this, I don't care. The price closed above the EMA with huge rejection. After that, again the blue candle closed above the this thing called EMA, and now today we are having some kind of engulfing candle. Yeah, so it's no rocket science. Look for longs. Coming back to 4 hour, what we have in 4 hour, we have started the uptrend. Clear. This is gonna close above the EMA, but I think your entry should be after the pullback. Okay, so look for look for longs after the pullback. That's all, like I say, because right now that the uptrend in 4 hours started from here, so we might be exhausted. So the price might be exhausted in the uptrend, so it has to take a pullback and then go up. I'll leave it up to you if what you're gonna do, because if you enter right now, you have to exit right here. Okay, this is your previous high. If you enter buy right now, you have to exit before this previous high. That's one entry. Otherwise, wait for the pullback and then you go long. But if you trade daily chart, wait for this candle to close and then enter long once tomorrow new candle starts. Okay, so look for longs in USDJPY. That's all I have for you. But if you want to automate swing trading, whether you're a beginner, you know nothing, you know everything, in that case, all the cases, click on the first link below. Automate swing trading. Come back to the chart. Watch this video to understand what is going on here. Okay, subscribe, like, join Telegram, blah blah blah. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.